Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So technically, I'm using my PC right now. If you want to use your phone, tablet, it's technically the same process. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is, of course, for all the PC users out there, if you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox is still there, not quite sure though. Even if you want to use Opera Mini, it's perfectly fine. Because I'm using Microsoft Edge right now, doesn't mean you have to use Microsoft Edge also. By the way, this should be the link to Zoom. Again, just type in Zoom on the Google results, click on sign in right there, and you'll be directed on this landing page, okay? Let me just remove that one, click on this one, because I'm already signed in, that's why I'm having a problem. So with this one, technically I'm already signed in. I just use my account as a Facebook account or Google account. You can either choose up one of the two. And then you'll be redirected on this landing page, okay? Which is signed in. How can you know you signed in? On the top right section, you'll have your photo right there. And by the way, how to schedule, it's gonna be easy as clicking on this schedule button right here. If you wanna join, of course, click on join. If you wanna host, technically it's the same as schedule. Anyway, click on schedule right there. And then with this one, they're gonna ask you the topic of the meeting, like say meeting 1. And then when, of course, let's just say for tomorrow in my time, 4 a.m. duration is 1 hour. You can also include 0 here and rather put 45 minutes. It's really up to you guys. Your current plan only supports 40 minutes per meeting, then let's put in 40 minutes right there or below for you, okay? If you want to upgrade, this is gonna be a different pricing. I'm gonna expand this idea on the next video. Anyway, choose the time zone, of course. This is gonna be in US and Canada. Attendees, enable continuous meeting chat. So enter usernames and addresses, which of the one you want to email. For example, I'm just gonna use in a random email, for example, and then click on enter. So that's one email. And then what after that one, let me just type it right again. Okay, give it a second. It seems like it's not loading anymore. Perfect. Now template, of course, click on none. This is a free account. And then either whiteboard, it's really up to you guys. However, with this one, I think this is for the paid version plan, okay? Let me just wait for it to load. Give it a second right there. Okay then, and to event. And with that one, this is the passcode of your Zoom meeting. By the way, this is the one that you want to save on your notepad, making sure you don't lose it. Just type in right there, click on save on your notepad right there, and you're good to go. Okay, video host off and off unless you turn them on. Again, options, click on show, allow participants to join anytime. It's really up to you guys. So with this one, simply click on save. After click on save, your meeting will start when the time is set, and then the emails are right here for the ones who will join your meeting. Again, that's how you schedule your Zoom meeting. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.